Let's calculate it. You can earn $50 per hour. If you can earn $50 per hour, how many hours do you want to concentrate on this platform? Let's say you've invested 5 hours. 50 times 5 hours. That is $250 per day. $250 per day for good 7 days, then for a month. That is a huge sum amount of money. I know you might be there thinking, is it real? Yes, it is real. Today we're going to be looking at this platform, the platform that you click to earn, and it is called getpaid.com. Getpaid.com is a platform that I discovered recently that most people have earned money out of it. I tried it for 1 hour and I got the $50. I'll be coming here to withdraw with you and you see how you can do it. But for today, we are going to see what is this platform. Two, we're going to see how do you register or how do you qualify to be there. Then the third one, how do you withdraw your money? Good morning. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says, I hate poverty, the lady that says we cannot accept to be under the influence of poverty. Remember, we say Immaculate Show came up together with its individuals and everybody and said, no, instead of you being given food and fish every day, let's come up and teach you and show you how you can fish yourself. Let us show you that the fish, the wealth is within you and around you. Do you have a job? We don't mind. You don't have a job? You're a housewife? Please come and reach near. It's only about your mindset. Are you holding an iPhone? In fact, do you have a smartphone? If you have a smartphone, this platform is for you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for you to be notified whenever we come on this live or whenever we upload a video. Let's go dive in and see, why do we bring this platform for you? Why? There are very many reasons why you should go for this platform. This platform, we told you, it's Get Paid. You can see it on the screen, getpaid.com. You can use it on your laptop like the one I'm using it. You can use it on your Android. You can use it on your iPhone. Get Paid is one of the beautiful app that you can earn in different ways. In fact, you can earn more than 6 ways. But for today, I'm concentrating on one of my favorite that I know most of you would love to have it. Which method is this? The method is to watch video ads, short video ads. These short video ads are less than 30 seconds. Unlike yesterday or the other day previously, we brought for you a platform called Paid Work. Paid Work is one of my favorite, but this one is a step ahead. Why is it a step ahead? And why do I bring it for you that you should also venture in it? One, its ads are unlimited. You're going to get tired of the ads compared to Paid Work, whereby you can play the ads and the ads get finished and you have to wait for the next day. But for this platform, the ads will be completely available more than the way you think. Two, it pays almost a cent per ad. I know you people, I know you're going to say that this cent is small, but let's take a look on this. An ad takes less than 30 seconds. In an hour, you can play 500 ads. If you play 500 ads, that is $50. And that is the calculation that I did. So if you play 500 ads, really, times 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, that means you have money in your bank account straight away. So let's come now and go to the reality and see which type of this app is. What you do, go to your browser, any favorite browser that you have, type there getpaid.com. Whenever you type there getpaid.com, this interface will come. And if you know you cannot go there, go to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving a link there. You can also go to our description of this video. The link will be there. One of the ways that you will do for us the favor, it is to like this video and try please to use our code for you to register, because the second way of earning is a referral. But today we are not mining about referral. We are mining about how you're going to go there on this app. So what you do, you go to your app, you go to your browser and put there getpaid.com. Whenever you put getpaid.com, a search interface will come. This interface is where you're going to start your registration. Your registration is very simple. They need your names and your emails. The moment you finish the registration, it is going to send you a code to your email for verification. Go and check your email and verify that you're the one. When you come now to the main interface here, like the way you're seeing, you're going to go up there and click on earn coins. If you're using a phone, you have to click on the sides. But if you're using a laptop like me, you're going to see the interface has get paid. It has earn coins, win coins, redeem coins, and help that. So click on earn coins. But when you click on earn coins, there are other clusters that will come. Go direct and click. If you click on earn coins, you can go direct and click pay per click. Pay-per-click is going to take you direct to videos whereby they are coming from YouTube, others are coming from wherever they are coming, but the ones I've been playing are from YouTube. So the moment you click on pay-per-click, it is going to give you numerous, you're going to see it like the way you can see right now, a lot of videos, a lot of ads. So these ads, you are there to sit there and play the ads. These ads stay for a very short time. Let's say 20 seconds. It was only 2 or 3 ads that took me 250 seconds, but also they get finished. And moreover, the more they give you the seconds, the more the money. So right away, the moment you will not say that you exhaust that. No, you are eligible to earn that $50, that $200 in a day. So the second thing that we're going to talk about is about how do you earn from this? From paying. Now you've gotten your money into your bank account, into your back office. You can see up there. How do you know that you've gotten this money? You can check from up. It is always in coins, but it changes from coins to dollars. Now, the moment you get dollars or you want to withdraw at any time, what you do, you go and click on redeem coins. When you click on your redeem coins, you can see it on the screen up, or even if you're using a phone, you will see where to click. The moment you redeem your coins, it is going to give you different ways of withdrawing your money. This is what I've liked on this one. You can see the interface, and it shows you that I'm among the people who have been participating recently, and I'm there, and I'm going to participate till infinity. So the moment you click there, it is going to show you cash out. It is showing you redeem your coins, and in front of it, it is showing you the amount of money worth your coins. So if you want to get paid in coins, the same thing, you can click there. And if you want to get paid in dollars, you can click there. I already have some amount of dollars there, but I'm not going to redeem it. Now I decided to say every platform I'll be withdrawing with you direct, especially for the people I want to help. Should I call them doubting Thomases? Those individuals that they want to see, they want to touch, such that they can do it. We want your mindset and your body and everything to be focused and get out of that poverty. So I will not withdraw this money, but the moment I reach $100, I'm going to withdraw physically, to withdraw it with you. So click on cash out. When you click on cash out, it's going to give you four ways of cashing out. This has sweetened me because it's more easier than paid work. Paid work, you use Phantom Wallet, but this one you use PayPal. PayPal, you use Web Money, you use Perfect Money, and even Bitcoin. You know, with Phantom, it has different ways of you withdrawing. It is not a direct way because it is from coins. You have to shift it from coins, then to crypto, then to your bank. But this one, you can shift it directly from dollars or from coins to PayPal, and PayPal is linked to your bank account. Or if you want, you can put it in Bitcoin. This is now it depends on you what you feel you want. So select any type of way you want to withdraw the money. There are some other people who say, I don't want to withdraw the money. I want to go direct and use a gift card. We have different types. You will find different types of gift cards available down there, and they are attached with the prices or with the cost. So whatever you want to withdraw or you want to redeem, you can use it also to use it on Walmart, on Steam, on Starbucks, anywhere that you want to do it. Now the money is in your hands. It is up to you. So how do you know that your money has gone? They tell you the money will go in less than 72 hours. So the moment you do it like this, immediately it will go there. I repeat, what you do, you need to set up your account immediately as you know the money is going into your account. So what you do, go to your profile, set your profile. What do they need in your profile? They need very few things. They will ask you very few things, and as they ask you, you answer the experience, achievement, and all other things. You you know how we set our accounts. We can set our accounts in different ways, but with this one, you follow the prompts. And that marks the end of earning money. As simple as that.